Hello, welcome back. I'm Deepa Alex. Today, we'll be seeing connectors to show cause and effect relation. When one thing has happened because of another, you will need to use a connector. For example, to explain the cause of symptoms, impact of treatment. Here are some examples. As a result of physiotherapy, his back pain has significantly reduced. Consequently, his self-care activities have been compromised, for which she presented with UTI, for which antibiotics were prescribed. She was admitted to the hospital due to a broken leg following a motorcycle accident. Therefore, a follow-up appointment has been scheduled to remove her stitches. I hope this short video was informative and wait for more interesting ones ahead. Thank you.